Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.